Okay, this problem says find the critical value z sub alpha over 2 that corresponds to the given confidence level. In this particular case, it's 93%. Let's first begin by drawing this out. You don't have to do this, but I think it'll make it make sense. I don't want you just memorizing what to do every time. So we draw the normal curve, and 93%, I've got this drawn on the curve, this middle 93%. And notice this part outside that's left. That is my alpha. So I went ahead and typed these steps out for you. So the highlighted portion here is alpha. Now, we want alpha divided by 2. So in this case, alpha is 0.07 because 1 minus 0.93 is 0.07. And now divide that by 2 and you get 0.035. So we have 3 different ways now to solve this. Zoom in a little bit. We can use the tables, which is fine. You look up 0.035 in the body of the table. Another way is to use a TI-83 or 84. This is better. We're going to use inverse norm 0.035. The best way, I think, is to use Statcrunch and use the normal calculator in that. And I'll show you all 3 ways. So in the table, I'm going to use the normal distribution table. And I went ahead and went with the negative. And we're going to say, look for 0.035. And you'll rarely find the exact number. So you get the one that's closest. And so we get 0.035. And so our z value is 1.81. 1.81. And the critical values are always positive. So it's going to be positive 1.81. On the calculator, you can go to inverse norm, put 0.035, and if it asks for the mean, you can just put in 0 and standard deviation of 1, so the standard normal curve. If you have the option for left, center, or right, choose left. And again, you'll get negative 1.81, and again, it's just the positive. The critical value is always positive, so it'd be positive 1.81. Same thing we got before. The other way is with Statcrunch, and so you'll go to Stat, Calculators, Normal, and then you're going to put 0.035 to the right of the equals, and then press Compute. Make sure the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. It should default to that. If not, change that to 0 and 1. Press Compute, and you get the same thing, negative 1.81. And it even shades it for you. It's kind of why I like it. So I hope that helps.